Hi guys, good to see you again. Happy February. We're here to talk about gardening, but we're not here to talk about my flowers. We are here to talk about my neighbor, this guy right here, this one right here. Oops, see that? That's her car. Anyway, the last video I shot, you saw, I was out here doing some early weeding in January because we had some fantastic warm weather. I got about a third of my garden done. My neighbor was outside waiting for a car ride. You know, she had somewhere to go, and she came over to what I thought was say hi. I hadn't been here for a few years. I've never met her. We've never been outside at the same time. So she comes over, you know, we introduce herself. She's in her 60s. She's a British woman. And she proceeds to start telling me about how we are not allowed to maintain our gardens here because they have a landscaping crew that will take care of it. That it's in our contract. We are not allowed to have gardens. I rent, so I don't know what their contract is. There's my ask for forgiveness and not for permission. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know whether I can trust her or not. She may have been being a nice neighbor and telling me about this, or she might be a crappy neighbor because she's going to turn me in. I don't really know. So I guess I'm just going to move forward with it. Just move forward with my, I gotta fix my hair. I'm just gonna move forward with my gardening. I'm just gonna proceed as if we never had that conversation, and all I can do is see if anything happens. See if anybody calls me out and tells me to knock it off. I'll be honest, I don't really expect that to happen because management, their offices are elsewhere. They're not located here. They're not checking our houses every day, if at all. The landscape crew will probably be out sometime within the next month. Down here in Tennessee, there's lots of horses around, so we get a lot of horse manure on all of our gardens, which is fantastic, except that it smells really nasty and sour for a few days. But usually that's about the only thing they do with the gardens. They come in the spring and they put the mulch down, and that's the end of it. Anyway, I will give you further updates. We will see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.